in this evening session, we are going to learn about how to open bracket here, how to simplify 2 bracket a plus b plus 3a plus b. Hii ndio kazi ya leo. Lakini let's go back to exercise 2D. Kwenye 2D, the question was 3a plus 4b plus 4a plus 2b. Nikwambia, we collect like terms. Tuna collect like terms. Like terms are terms which have same variable. Tumeshasoma. Upper like terms, 3a, point to take home here. If addition is a part of 4a, call you circle with this one here. What we do now, we come down, write 3a plus 4a is equal to, and then we come to b term now. B, we have add 4b, which is positive. You can put addition or you can leave it, it's optional. So 4b plus 2b is equal to, hapa tunaanza kuadd, so we add coefficient, we get 7a, here we get 6b. Jibu letu linakuwa ni 7a plus 6b. Tunasema kwa nini plus? We do put plus because this number here is positive. So we combine them together. 7a plus 6b. Kama ingekuwa hivi, let's say 3a plus 4b plus 4a minus 9b. Ingekuwa hivi. Tuna correct like terms. 3a plus 4a. Number 3a plus 4a, which is equal to 7a. What next? Ni 4b. Take away 9b. Small number minus big number in integers. Kama hujasoma, namba ndogo toa namba kubwa, jibu lake ni negative 5b. Because if they're like terms, what we do, we take away coefficient. 4 minus 9 ni negative 5. Kwa inakuwa take away pale. Our final answer inakuwa 7a minus 5b. Hilo ndio jibu letu. So this is a foundation for what we're going to learn today. Video number 1. Get ready for video number 2. Bye for now.